So hello guys, welcome to my channel Maya Archer. Today I am Ritik Sharma telling you some simple rules of artist watercolor, Camlin artist watercolor, how to use them and etc. If you want to know some simple rules of artist watercolor, so please watch my video. So guys, I am ready now. I am telling you first I am turn my page. Yes, my page was open. Then I open my nature colors. I use Camlin brush. It's Camlin brush, my simple Camlin brush. Then I show you the example. The cotton cloth you always kept with you when you are doing the watercolor work. Okay. So I'm taking little bit of water. Then the tone was started with a light to darker. If you want a shade, so you have start with light and then you were doing darker. So first I make grapes. You can see where I give two grapes I'm making, and I'm showing you an example also. Yes, my grapes was ready. Yes, you can see. Then if I am doing the work on on wet paper, on wet paper, that is looking like this. When it was dry, I am doing on it. First I completed. Yes, you can see it is looking very bad. You can see the paper was come also. When that is dry now, I am taking little bit of green color. Then I am doing how beautiful it was come. You can see now. When you are doing watercolor, you always kept cotton cloth with you because it was rough brush like this. If you have many water in your brush like this, you can easily smooth it. Then I'm give the shade in this. You can see now. And then I'm give the shade in this. You can understand the tone also. You will start with light tone and last tone was very dark tone. Then you were always kept in your mind when you are doing watercolor work, don't do work on wet paper. You can see here I have got very worst shade. Yes, my paper was made. Grapes was ready. And now I am telling how to use this nature colors. First, you will taking any color if what you want. I am taking yellow. Then you rub on it like this. Then I am making a tree like this. Yes, my tree was ready. My logo is ready. Then I am give the shade with it. You can watch. Then in this video you can also see I am start with light tone. Then I am taking, when it is about dry, now it is dry, I am taking green color like this. No, it is wet, sorry. And one more rule, if you want to draw a outline, I am taking here black color. You rub it brush like this. If your brush was, I am showing you, if your brush was like this, how are the lines come? Like this. And I am doing little bit of, I am rub here. My brush was ready. You can see how beautiful outline was my come here. That is, then my tree was dry now. Then I am taking here green color. Like this, like this. Then I am doing brown color on it. Here light, give the tone. Then I'm giving a suddenly. Then I'm giving a dark tone. That is very simple tree. That is not complete now till now, because and when you have never used watercolor, you can rub here. That is very helpful for you. Like, and it was ready, but it is very looking not good. Okay, I am now completed now. Little bit of tone brown. Okay, then my tree was ready. So friends, if you like my ideas, so don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel and share my video. Thanks.